Today I'm going to show you a short video on how you can change the order and update how many modules are pinned in the navigation bar, and also change the colour of any of the icons displayed. To do this, you must be an administrator. If you're an administrator, you would be able to see this in your profile drop down. Admin would be displayed here. So we're going to go into the admin section, and once here, scroll down to the developer tools. When we're in the developer tools, we are going to hit navigation bar and subpanels. So here is where you're able to configure the number of modules that are displayed on the navigation bar here on the left. At the moment, you can see that we have pinned 4 modules. That's just standard across the board, but you are able to change this. So I'm going to change this to 8. And also, if you are using areas of the system more than other areas, you're able to drag and drop the order of how you would like the navigation bar to be displayed. So for me, I generally stick in the accounts. I do contacts, opportunities, and then we will have reports, leads. That's perfect. I'm now going to hit save, and then once this has been saved, we will go back to the admin section, and we are going to go down to developer tools again, but this time we're going to hit the rename tabs. And once in here, again, this is where you're able to rename the modules should you wish to something else that suits more with your terminology. But here is also where you're able to change the background color of the modules. So if I change the contacts to green, and I'm going to change the opportunities to coral, I'm going to hit save here. So now that has updated. If I hit my home screen, here you can see that we now have 8 subpanels displayed, and you can see that the colour of the modules have also been updated.